Good morning. I've got to go through a lot of unboxing today. I've got a lot of devices that have come from China for testing, various testing equipments. There's one here, there is a cable tester, and there is a mobile phone sort of repair box where you keep all your bits, but these are going to be on separate videos. But this one, very short video. These are clips that sort of helps to hold onto the LCD while you're working on the phone. So let's quickly jump into what we have here. That's the outer box, and they've come from AliExpress, a couple of £. I'm hoping that they're going to be useful. Oh no, it's right. Okay, so that's how they look. Plastic seems okay, but it's a matter of time. They come in a pair, and as I got them off AliExpress, what do? Okay, I haven't got a it's an open form, but I haven't got one that the ribbon's attached to the LCD, but we'll pretend that it's attached to the LCD. So what you would do then is, so just pretend it's open. I'm gonna try and replicate this. Okay, so it's supposed to be a bit of a struggle to put on because these clips are what wants to hold onto the device as tight as possible. Let me just make sure that I'm putting them the right way around, I'm using them the right way around. Okay, so yep, so just pretend that the LCD is actually connected here. You lift and do some, try and put them on, but just be careful that you don't force it too much, that you're bending these plates here. Okay, so just be careful as you're putting it in. And the idea behind it is that you can free up your hand, and just either if you're changing the battery, or if you, well, not changing, well, suppose you can, but I mean, with changing the battery, you've got to take the LCD off anyway, because some of the batteries, depending on if it's got the original double-sided tape on, then you can sort of pull them out, but otherwise you're gonna have to take the LCD off anyway. I mean, that's what I would recommend. But in terms of sort of disconnecting the battery or working on basic things, you can utilize this device rather than just sort of holding on hand. What I used to do is sometimes I get really frustrated, and I tend to leave a little tape behind as I'm working. But the risks are that it can very easily tear, damage the ribbon or the connectors on the board actually. So that's that. What do I think of them? I think the plastic, the only downside of them is that when you're sort of slotting it in, what I've found is it can be a little bit difficult. It's not too bad now. Okay, fair enough. But on the other side, no, it's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. So I've been putting it in the wrong way around. So reality is that you want to sort of hold the screen at this angle, push the bottom bracket in. So let's pull that out. So you want to push that in, and then slide it into the LCD, which is perfectly, yeah. I'm going to give them credit for this actually. So yeah, it was me that wasn't using the connectors properly. So yeah, okay, these clips are very nice, they're okay. As I said, they were a couple of £. From AliExpress. It might be worth a try. I've got I've got 4 altogether, 2, and I think I'm liking it, so therefore I will be utilising all the clips basically. So that's all for this short video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.